All right, guys, so today we are looking at a new pair of headphones from our friends over at TOZO, and these are the open ear rings. So a little different. These ones kind of, as I can see by the picture that they sent me, it kind of clamps on to like this part of your ear here. So some of the things that they talked about here, all day comfort. We like all day comfort. Who doesn't like all day comfort? Captivating sound, powerful bass, smart LED display, as you guys can see on the actual case, it looks like. Feathered light and built to last. 24-hour battery power. Now, of course, this would be battery power with the actual case. Adaptive for every moment, whether at work, during workouts, or on the go. They adapt to your environment, letting you enjoy the music while staying aware of your surroundings. So, very cool. I don't necessarily know exactly price point of these, but they really do point toward the comfort. So we're gonna take a look at these, the TOZO open ear rings. So nice little tiny box that they come in, which is good. We like when the box is not overly large. Here we go. That's them right there. This should open nice and easy. Perfect. Doesn't come with too much stuff in the box, which is all right. So we do get, as you guys can see here, we get the open ear quick guide. Again, really small, but I'll keep that here close. We are, this is the full manual. It's a little bit bigger than the quick user guide, but it's the manual. And of course, you do get a ridiculously small, like they all do now, USB-A to USB-C adapter or cable, and the actual earbuds right here. So we're just going to open these. Kind of excited because they're different, right? A little different like that. So there's, you guys may be able to see it. There's the little, right? There's the little screen on there. So my guess is that you should, be nice if, is there a button or anything? There's a button on the back here. So if I hit this little button, anything, there's a little click right there. Yeah, 100%. Right? It's not crazy bright, but shows 100%. Doesn't show. I'm guessing that's the case. Yeah, my thought was they would have these. So on there, of course, they are going to have these little stickers on there, of course, so that they aren't discharging when they're outside. So we'll take that one off, put it back. Nice little main. They look like little tiny dumbbells, right? Little tiny dumbbells. That's what they look like. You guys see that? Yes, little dumbbells. Little truck nuts. You know what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, truck nuts. And then those go in there. Good magnetic snap though. Now when you close it, you actually get right and left. And you'll see that these ones look like they're going through the charging phase. So again, you can just kind of hit that button on the back. And looks like they are charging. Now I can't tell right now if these then are considered to be almost dead. And it doesn't have anything in regards to when you open and close the lid. It doesn't look like. It doesn't like light up. Now if you take one out and put it back in, anything? Yeah, then it fires up. Okay, so there we go. Now it's coming in there. Both the earbuds are fully charged. Okie dokie. So let's bring up my phone here. And we'll bring up good old Bluetooth, because Bluetooth is important for these. And we need to see what they sound like. So we're going to go to the bottom. Let's just open these. I'm wondering, do I have to, if I take them out, anything? These, I want to see kind of the picture. I'm guessing, it's weird. Like I'm trying to figure out which side has the speaker on it. It must be that side. So that, how does this even work? So it goes on your ears like so. I'm guessing that just kind of, it snugs. Maybe it's a snugs. Does that seem like it's right? Based on the pictures that I'm seeing, it kind of seems like it kind of sits in like that. So, you know, it's like the first time you put on like sport earbuds, you're like, does this feel right? Okay, they go in. This kind of wraps around the back of your ear. So we got them there. I don't know if you guys can see it there. Right, that just kind of hangs there. But definitely comfortable, 100%. Like that's really comfy. Yeah, they're just, it's almost just like a little tiny, I guess like an earring, right? Like a clip earring, like a clip-on earring, right? So it just kind of snaps in there. Okay, let's see if anything. There they are. TOZO open earrings. Boom, connected. That's it. So if they have an app or anything. So I'm gonna crank those right up. And I don't quite like. It's hard to tell if these are, because they don't go in. Like they're not in your ears, like right in your ear holes. If you get what I mean. The earrings promise comfort and naturalness in every moment. Okay. Naturalness in every moment. Okay, I'm curious. I just want to know if they sound any good. So I'm gonna bring up good old Aussie here, right? Little Aussie. See if we can hear this. Hopefully I have the earbuds in the right way. I don't know if I do. I really don't know if I do. Is this going to explain more about how I put these in my ears? Because right now I don't seem, which it doesn't. It doesn't even tell you how to put them in your ears. I'm not hearing anything loud. They're not supposed to go in your ears. Now the other thing I'm wondering is, did I put them in backwards and this part goes in your ears? Yes, I did. So it's actually the little ball part, I think, that goes in your ears. So I got it wrong. So I thought this part here went in your ear, but I think it's this part that goes in your ear. So that I put them in backwards. So they go in like so. Yes. Now, yes, that's better. All right. So, few things. Depending on the size of your ears, will depend on how much like bass it is, because they aren't necessarily hugely bassy. Like they're decently bassy, because they don't fill up your whole ear. At least they don't for me, right? Like your ear canal, your ear hole, whatever it's called. The nice thing is you can kind of position these wherever you want, just to kind of get them that sound kind of where you want it to be. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But the nice thing is because it's not right, like literally in your ear, like sealing your ear. Like it's almost like having transparency mode on, sort of, with another pair of headphones, right, or earbuds, because you are able to hear kind of everything that's kind of going around with you, because you don't have that headphones sealing your ears. So yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad. You do have to kind of fiddle around a little bit, but comfortable. Oh yes, very comfortable. Okay, let's find something that's a little more bassy, I think. Give me a sec here. Go to my blinding lights, because that's my, and I got it cranked up, so they're not going to be like the loudest headphones you've ever heard in your whole life, for sure, but decent, right? If you're a runner or someone that just wants some sound, if the sound is good, it's not great, but it's good. But I think the big thing for these earbuds is comfort, right? Like, there's no doubt you could wear these like all day long. Like doesn't feel like there's anything in your ears at all. Yeah, that's kind of nice. That's kind of nice. And they do say, with the case, you're looking at like 24 hours. So that goes in. Which way is that going? Is it right? Yeah, like that. So just remember, the little ball part kind of goes in your ear. The other part with the charger on it, connector, goes around the outside. That makes up the earring. I don't necessarily know the price of these. As soon as I find out, I will put a link down below so you guys can go see it. But, if you're a runner and you're out there and you're kind of thinking between, standard earbuds where you're not going to be able to hear much, unless you have something with transparency mode, or maybe like a bone conduction or something like that, I think comfort-wise, I would prefer these almost to bone conduction, because bone conduction, I find, at least for me, depending on the sound, the vibration makes my ears itch, tingle, whatever, right? And I'm like, these have decent sound, super comfortable. Yeah, it's just, if you're looking for sound quality, are you going to get better sound quality out of a traditional pair of like earbuds that, you can get the size to fit in your ear properly, and you can get them, they seal your ear, you're going to get higher bass, higher volume, etc., etc. Well, then you get these and be like, man, they're fine. But if you're someone like a runner, or you want to be able to really hear that, and you're someone that wants to be able to wear these all the time, like if you were traveling somewhere maybe, and you're like, I want some music and I want it to last forever, and I want to be able to wear these all day. Maybe you have sensitive ears. That would be really cool. Or you have ears that just, you have problems finding earbuds that fit you. that's probably another big one, right? Earbuds that fit you properly. I know a lot of people that earbuds, they just can't wear them. These, you may have a way better ability to wear them and get some decent sound. Anyways, this is the TOZO earbuds. No, that's right. Earrings. Yeah, kind of cool, right? Kind of cool. There they are. There's a little screen and everything. So, just gotta either take one out, put one in, something like that. There you go. Yeah, kind of cool. All right, guys. Links down below if I can find it, and we'll see you guys next video.